Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add country of YouTube channel on mobile in just a few steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. Then tap on the About section. Here you can see that I haven't added any country yet. To add it, you'll need to close the YouTube app and open the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type studio.youtube.com. Once you're there, open it in desktop site mode. Now, in the bottom left corner, you'll find the Settings option. Tap on that. Then tap on Channel. Tap on Country of Residence. You'll see a list of all countries here. Select your country. I'm selecting United States. After selecting the country, tap the Save button. This way, the country will be added to your channel. Let me show you whether the country has been added or not. It should be added now. Let's also check in the About section of the YouTube channel. Go back and refresh once. Then open the About section again. As you can see, the country has been added, and that's it. How to add country of YouTube channel on mobile. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.